heavens declare your glory, O God. The skies proclaim your mighty hands. From creation to eternity, your power is seen across the land.
Show me your glory, Lord, I cry. Let your goodness pass me by. Like fire that fills your holy place. Let your presence fill this space.
Holy, holy, Lord Almighty, all the earth is full of your glory. Glory, glory to the King of glory, strong and mighty, Lord of all. Not to us, but to your name be honor. We will worship, we will fall. Glory, glory, forever and ever. You alone deserve it all. King Jesus, shining in your splendor, we give you glory, Lord of all. You will not share your glory, Lord. It belongs to you alone. Yet you revealed your love to us through Christ upon the throne.
Light of heaven, shining bright, your glory in the face of Christ. Let it shine through all we do, so the world will turn to you.
Let the earth be filled with your glory, like the waters fill the sea. From glory unto glory, your transcendent. Whatever we do for you. Let our lives bring praise till we stand before your throne and lift our voice always.